Hello and welcome to this video on 7 key skills and knowledge areas that are commonly taught to children from wealthy families, but may be lacking in the education of those from less privileged backgrounds. Before we begin, let me clarify that these abilities are not limited to the wealthy. They can be learned and used by anyone. So whether you were born with a silver spoon or not, stick around because these lessons are critical for success in today's world. First on our list is financial education. This is a concept that several of us may not have learned in school. Understanding finances and money management, on the other hand, is critical for success. It is extremely important to educate yourself on budgeting, saving, and investing. You do not have to be a math genius to grasp these ideas. There are numerous resources available online to assist you in getting started. A young couple, Sarah and David, who are struggling to balance their finances, are a good example of the importance of financial education. They both worked full-time and earned good salaries, but they were living paycheck to paycheck. They needed to pay off credit card debt, car payments, and a mortgage, but they had no idea how to manage their money effectively. Sarah and David decided to attend a financial education workshop after recognizing that they needed assistance. Budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management were among the topics covered at the workshop. They discovered how to make a budget, prioritize their expenses, and set financial goals. They also learned about different types of debt and how to effectively pay them off. Sarah and David were able to take control of their finances after learning this information. They devised a budget that enabled them to pay off their debts while also saving for future goals. They also began saving for retirement and creating an emergency fund. They were able to achieve financial security and independence as a result of their newfound financial education, and they no longer had to worry about living paycheck to paycheck. The message behind this tale is that financial education is not a luxury, but a necessity for anyone seeking financial security and independence. It's never too late to begin learning, and investing in financial education can pay off for a lifetime. Next up, we have entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is all about taking risks, being innovative, and creating your own opportunities. It is not simply a matter of starting a business. It's a way of thinking that can help you in any situation. Developing an entrepreneurial spirit will assist you in identifying opportunities, thinking creatively, and taking the initiative. Jane, for example, is a young woman who has always enjoyed baking. She decides to open her own bakery after completing a culinary arts course. She begins by selling her homemade cakes and pastries to family and friends, and her products quickly become popular. Jane opens her own bakery shop with her savings and a loan from a small business lender. She works tirelessly to create unique and delicious recipes, and she makes her shop a warm and welcoming environment, attracting more customers. As her company expands, she adds new products such as bread, sandwiches, and coffee to her menu. She also creates a social media page to promote her business, and her customer base quickly expands beyond her immediate area. Jane's bakery becomes a huge success thanks to her hard work and dedication. She's now able to employ several staff members and expand her business to other locations. Her love of baking has not only brought her financial success, but it has also allowed her to realize her dream of making delicious treats that make people happy. The moral of this entrepreneur story is that following your passion and taking risks can lead to success. Jane's success can be attributed to her dedication, hard work, and willingness to take financial risks in order to pursue her passion. She stayed true to her vision and continued to innovate and improve her company, resulting in its growth and success. Networking is another skill that is frequently lacking in less privileged backgrounds. Building relationships with people who can help you achieve your goals is what networking is all about. Making genuine connections and being of service to others is more important than using people. Do not be afraid to meet new people and put yourself out there. You never know who you might meet or how they might be able to assist you in the future. The story of John, a recent college graduate looking for work in the finance industry, is a fine example of networking. He went to a networking event hosted by his alma mater and met with several professionals in his field of interest. He exchanged contact information with them and followed up with a thank you note in which he expressed his desire to learn more about their industry. One of the professionals, impressed by John's initiative and enthusiasm, offered to put him in touch with a colleague who was looking for an entry-level analyst for their company. He was able to land an interview and the job. John's networking skills enabled him to make valuable connections that assisted him in achieving his career objectives. He maintained these relationships and discovered that they opened up many new opportunities for him throughout his career. The lesson is that developing and maintaining professional relationships is essential for professional success. It is critical to attend networking events, exchange contact information, and follow up with potential connections. You can build a strong network of professionals who can help you achieve your career goals by investing time and effort in networking. Self-confidence is also an important skill for success. It is all about having faith in yourself and your abilities. It can help you take risks, speak up for yourself, and persevere in the face of adversity. It is critical to work on boosting your self-esteem by using positive self-talk, setting attainable goals, and surrounding yourself with supportive people. Self-confidence is like a superhero costume. You feel invincible and ready to take on the world when you put it on. However, just like a superhero costume, finding the perfect fit can take some time. You might feel awkward and uneasy in your new confidence outfit at first. Perhaps it's too tight in some places and too loose in others. However, with some tailoring and practice, you can make it work for you. There's nothing you cannot do once you have found the perfect fit. You can leap tall buildings in a single bound, figuratively speaking of course, face any challenge, and inspire others to do the same. So do not be afraid to put on that self-assurance outfit and see how it feels. Who knows? You might discover that you've always had superhero abilities. Another skill that may be lacking in less privileged backgrounds is cultural literacy. In our globalized world, understanding different cultures and being able to communicate across cultural barriers is becoming increasingly important. Spend time learning about different cultures and customs. This won't only make you a more well-rounded individual, but it will also assist you in developing relationships with people from various backgrounds. Cultural literacy is life's secret handshake. When you understand the intricacies of different cultures, it is as if you have a backstage pass to the world. It's similar to learning a new language, except you're learning customs, traditions, and values instead of words. And as with any language, the more you learn, the more you realize how much more there is to learn. But cultural literacy is more than just knowing obscure holidays or cuisine to impress your friends. It's about appreciating and comprehending the diversity that makes our world so interesting and beautiful. Critical thinking is yet another important skill for success. It's all about analyzing information, weighing arguments, and making sound decisions. We are constantly bombarded with information from a variety of sources in today's world. It's critical to be able to evaluate this information critically and make informed decisions based on it. It's a mental toolbox that gives you the ability to approach any problem with clarity and confidence. It's also a skill that allows you to cut through the noise and find the signal, allowing you to make informed decisions and devise innovative solutions. Assume you're a detective attempting to solve a crime. You have a bunch of clues, some of which are contradictory or misleading. Critical thinking, on the other hand, allows you to sort through the evidence, look for patterns and inconsistencies, and piece together the truth. Or think of yourself as a scientist attempting to discover a new cure for a disease. To test your theories, you must be able to analyze data, evaluate hypotheses, and design experiments. All of these things require critical thinking to be done with precision and accuracy. So whether you're a detective, a scientist, or just trying to make sense of the world around you, critical thinking is a must-have skill. It enables you to think outside the box, question assumptions, and make sound decisions. Last but not least, emotional intelligence is a skill that is frequently overlooked but is critical for success. Understanding and managing your emotions, as well as being able to empathize with others, are all aspects of emotional intelligence. It can assist you in developing stronger relationships, communicating more effectively, and navigating difficult situations. Consider emotional intelligence to be a kind of emotional radar. It enables you to read people's emotions even when they're not saying anything explicitly. It teaches you how to recognize your own emotions, understand where they come from, and respond to them in a healthy way. However, emotional intelligence encompasses more than just empathy and sensitivity. It's also about how to use your emotions to make better decisions, communicate more effectively, and form stronger bonds with others. Emotional intelligence is a powerful tool for success, whether you're a manager trying to motivate your team, a parent trying to connect with your child, or just someone trying to navigate the complexities of the modern world. It enables you to connect with your emotions and use them to strengthen relationships, make better decisions, and thrive in any situation. So there you have it. 7 key skills and knowledge areas that are commonly taught to children from wealthy families, but may be lacking in the education of those from less privileged backgrounds. The good news is that, with practice and dedication, anyone can learn and develop these skills. So, we hope that the video has influenced you to take steps and begin developing these life skills. Remember that no matter where you are or what your background is, you have the power and ability to achieve great things and make a positive impact on the world. We appreciate your time and we wish you the best of luck on your path to success and happiness.